Well, good afternoon, YouTube. As you can see, I got my new motor. I wasn't expecting this till May 22nd. It showed up today. I haven't even got an email confirmation from Amazon that this has actually shown up. Tires getting changed. I have a dual sport tire on the way. It won't be here till like tomorrow or the 18th. Today is the 16th. Gear cluster on this comes separate. You have to thread it on. Anybody that's put a gear cluster on knows it's super easy. You just take the nut off, thread it on, hand tighten it, put it in the bike, run the chain a few times. When you pedal, it tightens it all the way down. That's all you got to do. It's got a old standard connector set up back here. This kind of wire. I have bought this kind of you can't really see it in there, but it's the round 9-pin plug. I just have to put it on there, and I have to find another one of these, but I got to find the female version of that so I can plug it in. I have a bunch of spare parts in my garage though, so that shouldn't be a big deal. But anyways, yeah, that's my new motor, 1,000 watt, 20-inch BMX style wheel mag. No more freaking broken spokes for me. It weighs, it probably weighs about 20 pounds though. It's about 10 pounds heavier than the electric motor, but it's more durable because it's a mag. Well, anyways, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next e-bike video. Okay, bye.